Welcome back. Well, today I am joined by Marsha Milchiker, who is here on behalf of the South Orange County Community College District. Well, Marsha, so nice to see you. You look great. How are you doing?
Thank you. I'm doing great. I'm delighted to be here. I love my Laguna Woods constituents, and as you know, I've been fighting for the Emeritus Institute for many, many, many years and been saving it over and over again. And now it's come to the rescue of so many seniors who are stuck at home with little to do, and we have these wonderful classes and wonderful social activities all online, but it's just incredible. It's just really a gift that I'm able to give to the people in Laguna Woods. So
well, and I know that they have been so appreciative of that because, you know, when they had to stay at home for these past several months, you know, there wasn't a whole lot to do and they really didn't communicate very easily, and they do need things. So I think this really brought, you know, a light to them in terms of keeping their brain going, learning, like you mentioned, and obviously socializing as well.
Yeah, I agree 100%. And I felt like I'm giving these people a gift. Free classes, you know, these, and they're wonderful. They're academically rigorous, but yet they don't have any midterms and they don't have any finals. So, but they keep your brains active, and the people that are taking the classes are so interesting and so brilliant. I'm taking 4 classes myself now. I was saying when I first started fighting for these emeritus classes, I was a lot younger, and now I'm old enough to take them myself. And now I see how wonderful they are. And the professors love the students, and the students love the professors. And the interaction is almost better online in a certain sense, because you could see the other students and see their names under their little square of their pictures online on the Zoom chat rooms, and you could know who they are and you could chat with them, and it's very social. It gives people, and as a research biologist, I know how important it is to maintain social context, to keep your brain going, and maintaining social contact is almost more important than anything. And also exercising, and we have these wonderful aerobic classes, and I'm taking 2 of them, and so keeps your body going and your mind going, and it just keeps you entertained and learning from fabulous professors. So it's a wonderful gift that we're giving to everyone. I'm just so proud of it.
One thing that's nice about what you're saying regarding the teachers and the instructors is that they really do care about the people that they're teaching. But not only that, but they care about the subject matter, which I think is really, you know, high quality, because when you take the class, you are really going to learn something from someone who cares about what they're teaching.
Yeah, that's really true. Like, for instance, one of my aerobic teachers, his name is Brad McReynolds. He was for many, many years the athletic trainer at Saddleback College, helping train the athletic teams, the football teams, all these wonderful sports teams. Mm-hmm. And he retired, and now he's teaching emeritus aerobic classes. You know that he's an exercise physiologist. You know he's teaching you the correct forms and the right things to do to maintain your body's health. So it's really great to have these expertise of the film teachers that were, you know, really experts in the film studios, and photography teachers who had careers in photography, et cetera, et cetera. It's really, really wonderful.
I love that. Maybe one day I'll get to teach an emeritus class on how to be a TV host.
That would be wonderful. I'll take it. I'll take it.
Oh my gosh, that's too much. Okay, so let's talk about spring 2021. It is going to be online again, and it starts registering when?
It starts registering on November 16th.
The 16th through the 20th on my site.
Yeah, that's right. And I already got my appointment to register. You get an appointment to register after you apply to Saddleback College. So the best information about how to apply to Saddleback College are on the Saddleback College Emeritus pages. So what you do is you Google Saddleback College Emeritus Institute, or you do saddleback.edu/emeritus. And it takes you to the emeritus pages, and it just walks you through how to apply. So you apply online, and when you apply online, you're actually applying to the whole community college system. You don't know this, it's seamless. And then after you apply, you'll get by email an appointment to register, but it walks you through everything. And there's also a number of contacts that you can find out to help you do it. But once you get the appointment to register, you can register for classes. And the only thing is you cannot take two classes that are given simultaneously, because obviously you can't be in two places at one time. And this is actually a board policy that no student can take two classes offered simultaneously. You have to take classes that are offered at different times. But you can actually, if the students want to, they could go right online to saddleback.edu /emeritus and look at the emeritus schedule, which is already up. It's been up since the middle of September. And you can peruse the classes and see what might be interesting to you, what you might want to take, and then you apply to register. And the way the appointments to register work is they're every year they start at a different last name, so that everybody has an earlier appointment to register and a medium appointment to register and a later appointment to register. So it's fair. So just because my name is M doesn't mean I'm always right in the middle. It rotates.
Okay.
So and then some of the classes do fill up. They're taking many more students because they're online now. It's like incredible. The teachers are being wonderful, and they're taking many more students. The aerobic classes are taking more students. Just all of them. But some of them do fill up because, like for instance, the photography class, you have to take a picture every week, and then you submit it online, and then you discuss all the photographs that you've taken, and then you learn the new subject. So they can't take hundreds of students. So if you get an earlier appointment to register, it's a little better to make sure you get in all your classes. But then there are some classes that take everyone, like the Marie Lowry classes. And Marie Lowry was an emeritus student who was just a very quiet lady who loved taking emeritus classes, and when she passed away, left her entire estate to the Emeritus Institute because she felt it just saved her life. So we have these wonderful lecture series every spring semester that have just experts in the community speaking to the students, and those take 500 and 600 students because they're just large lecture classes. They don't need a lot of interaction. There's questions at the end, but they don't really need a lot of interaction from all the students.
Well, everything, I mean, it sounds wonderful. And I know you guys have moved to a no textbook. So everything is online, which is really helpful, I think, for everyone. Now, let's talk a little about something that's coming up that you guys are doing, a fundraiser. It's your annual foundation gala.
Yeah, we do an annual foundation gala every year. And of course, I've never missed it. And trustees have to pay for it, of course. But we believe in supporting the colleges. That's what we're there for. So, but anyway, this year it will be totally virtual, which means it's free to attend. And ordinarily they have some of the choir groups that are just so fabulous doing a presentation. They have other different, some of the students. They had one student named Mary Jane Foley, who's a wonderful student, who talked about how the Emeritus Institute saved her life. Her son passed away, her husband passed away, and she was all alone. And taking these emeritus classes just, she said, saved her life because she loves the classes and she's still taking them, and she's donating to the Emeritus Institute as I am, because we feel it's so important for so many people to be able to have the opportunity to take these classes. But
Right.
This is raising money for students who need it for scholarships. And, you know, the students have been affected by this pandemic incredibly as well. That many have lost their jobs, many are at home, many have to move back to be with their parents again, or living on sofas in different people's houses. And we found that many students have food insecurities, and they have all kinds of insecurities. So we've raised money to give these students scholarships, and we also have food pantries to give, and they have the cars that drive up and pick up the food for the students that really need food. And as I said, we're trying to go to zero textbook costs because the textbooks are expensive. They're $100 in many cases. So we're trying to provide students with zero textbook costs if we can. But but they have many students who talk about how Saddleback College has saved their lives, and it's very heartrending. I just love the fundraiser. It's free to attend, and if you sign up, you get into a drawing where you could win a $2,000 prize. And if you donate, every $50 you donate, you get another ticket for the prize. So
That's great.
To donate. So this is the first time we're doing a virtual fundraiser. So we'll see how it goes, but it sounds pretty exciting to me. I'm going for sure.
Well, you know, you can't beat it. It's a free opportunity to do something. So I think that's a great opportunity. And, you know, speaking about giving and, having money to provide to some of your students, Irvine Valley College held an inaugural giving day, and you guys raised some good money in one day. Can you talk a little bit about that?
Yeah. It was just an email that went out to everyone talking about the students' great needs now more than ever, and how the students have such needs. And we do, as I said, we donate. We help our students with scholarships. We lend them Chromebooks if they don't have computers. We help them get online. We do whatever we can to help our students succeed. And they raised over $39,000 in just one day of all online. It was incredible.
That is awesome. Good. Well, wonderful. Well, I really appreciate you taking the time to speak with me about all these wonderful things that are happening at Emeritus. You stay healthy, and we'll see you next time.
Thank you so much. I'm looking forward to seeing you next time, and have all my wonderful residents in Laguna Woods stay healthy as well, and keep taking Emeritus classes. They really will save your life. Thank you.
All right, Marcia, thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye. And we'll be right back after this.